Today, we want to look into the pizza issue. The question is, I would say not so complicated, but you have to realize something that is hinted by the question. Here's the question. So there's a pizza store. Of course, they sell big pizza. Oh my God, I need to change this. They got pizza. They sell pizza here. 4 toppings. Pepperoni, whatever. Let's call them A, B, C, D. 4 types of toppings. And they sell whole pizza. Also, they sell half and half. Half and half. And the toppings can also be placed here on the half. So imagine like A, B, C, D. On this whole pizza, you can choose 0. You can choose all the 4 or combination of anything. Same thing apply to the half pizza here. You don't have any specific toppings, or you can choose a combination of the 4 toppings here on each half. Question is, what are the only possible combinations that you can order pizza here? Like some topping on this side, some topping on this side, maybe not topping on this side, maybe have the same topping like B and B. What are the total combinations? Naturally, we always take a step-by-step approach, right? Think about the whole pizza. That part is kind of easy. Let's just the whole pizza. How many different type of pizza, whole pizza, you can order from here? Well, think. The toppings, they could be on, they could be off, right? So, like A, B, C, D. Let's ask a customer and say, I like A, I don't like B, I don't like C, I like D. So that's like 1. Or you can also say, no, I don't have any I don't like any toppings. It's just that's so 1. Right? So each one, for each topping here, you got like 2 options. 2. And you can combine them together, so that's like 16. So 16 for whole pizza, 16 potential combinations you can choose, including no topping, including all the toppings. Easy. Okay, that's done. Now, go back here. Half. Naturally, you can see, what the heck? I'll just consider the half as the whole. If I have 16 types here, 16 types here, multiply them together, I got 256. Okay, that's my answer. 256, because I consider just this half as like whole pizza. I already know there are 16 types on the other side, so 256. Is that answer correct or not? Pause. 1, 2, 3. Wrong answer. Why? You forgot this. And the other thing I'll mention. Let's call this pitfall. Pitfalls. Let's say this. Half. I put B on this side. I put D on this side. Versus, I put D on this side. I put B on this side. Are this the same pizza? They are, because when you're ordering, it's like half B, half D, right? But when you're doing the calculation like over here, you might choose B on this, you might choose D on this, or the other way around. But you're counting them 2 times. So you're duplicating some of this. That's A. B, next pitfall. This is, I think, the question should make clear. Like, okay, so if I have the half-half, I have both the same topping, like B and B. Do we think this is similar to like whole pizza B? Are they the same thing? Because when I counted the total types, right, I want to count whole pizza types and half-half. Because when you go to the pizza store, you want to say, yeah, I do half-half, I do this. Or either I whole pizza like that. Right, so they're different. How are you gonna say that? Okay, so there are some. There, when you count this way, you have to also remove the duplicates with the whole pizza. Like case of this, or the other one is like you got B and D, you got B and D, B and D on both sides. Well, of course, you already have B and D all for the whole pizza. They're the same thing, so you have to dedupe this as well. So, start from this 256. Our job is to figure out all these pieces here. I'll tackle number 2 first. Like, overall 256, right? I know that I overcount the whole pizza, 16 types. Like, OB or same half. Essentially, what I'm saying here is like the two halves have the exact same combination. Those are counted twice. So, okay, I'm getting somewhere here. Now, for all this 240, those are the combinations have different halves. Remember, I counted them twice here. So I need to go. These are two diff halves. Oh, sorry. Two different halves. Because previously I counted it twice, so I do this here, 120. Okay? Now, these are all the two different half pizza types. And I go back to the original, this one here. I also need to add back the pizza that's the same combination on both sides, which is 16, right? Recap. This is the number of pizza, whole pizza, or half-half that has, this is the number of like half-half, two different halves, total number, 120. 16 is like the two halves, they're the same. Well, so we only count once, like, it doesn't matter you order a whole pizza, not cut it, or you have two halves, the same half on both sides. This is the number here. Add it together to 136. This is the correct answer. Thank you.